Welcome back to Hook and Sword. Today we are going to continue with the basic stitches and learn how to make double crochet. So as you can see, this is a much taller stitch. As you can, I can kind of poke my finger. Beep, beep. This one I don't use on its own very often. When I do use double crochet, I use it when I'm making corner to corner blankets or a shell stitch or a waffle stitch. Those ones definitely uses the double crochets. So without further ado, I am going to turn the camera down and I will show you how to make this.
Alright, so we got our yarn here and we're going to make our slip stitch. We're going to put 2 fingers underneath and make our X. Like so. Now we're going to flip it over. Now we have 2 loops on our fingers. We're going to take our hook under and over. We're going to pull all the way through and we're going to tighten the working yarn like so. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just make a few chains. So you're going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So I'm just going to make a few as an example. So here are my chains. As you can see, those chains kind of look like V's. So we're going to skip that first chain from the hook and we're going to double crochet in that second chain, but only on one of the loops furthest away from you. So we are going to yarn over. Okay, insert our hook into the V, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through only 2. Now you have 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through both loops. And that's what it looks like. It's going to look a little weird in the beginning, but it will straighten out. So yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's it. And we're going to keep going all the way down. Alrighty. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through both loops. So I'm just going to keep going down and I'll meet you towards the end. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, and this is what it looks like now. So this is the end of the row and I'm going to show you how to do the next row. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work. Now we're going to double crochet all the way down, but instead of going into one loop, we're going to go into both loops of those V's. Okay, I'm going to go through both of those. Alright, yarn over, insert our hook into both loops of the V. Like so. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Alrighty. And yarn over, pull through both loops. So we're just going to keep double crocheting, but in both of those stitches. Or I should say both of those loops. So that's what it looks like now. And you're just going to keep going all the way down. Okay, so as you can see on the final rows, the last chain is a little bit off to the side. Don't forget that stitch. Do a double crochet in that. It will look a little shrunk in the middle, but it will, as you can see, straighten out over time, like so. So these are the last few stitches I'm going to go ahead and do. See how that ending kind of straightens out a little bit when you crocheted in it a few times. So yarn over, insert, Okay, so we have finished that sample square, and I'm going to go ahead and cut off the yarn, and we're going to fasten off. So we have that loop, so we are going to put that extra string inside that loop and pull through. That is it. As you can see, it's a little bit more holes than other stitches we've made, but yeah, that is it.
So that's it. That is how you make a double crochet. So if you found this video helpful, feel free and give this video a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, feel free and subscribe. If you have any questions on double crochet, or if you have a request on a project you'd like to learn or have a tutorial, feel free and leave a comment down below. And I will see you next time. Bye!